everyone, welcome to the Discovery Time. This is Glow Technology, the professional glow products manufacturer. I am Samantha. Today we are going to do a test about fast charging glow in the dark powder using my mobile phone. Okay, let's start. For today's test, we need to prepare fast charging glow-in-the-dark pigment, ordinary glow-in-the-dark pigment, and a mobile phone. First, we put the two kinds of the glow powder into totally dark environment to make extinction of light. Now we turn on the flashlight of mobile phone and slide the flashlight over the two glow-in-the-dark pigments. It shows the fast charging glow-in-the-dark pigment absorbs light very fast and glows while the ordinary one does not glow.